The furnace once roared with belief, a path, a promise, a future brief. But now the flame is thinned by cost, and many wonder what we've lost. We built too high, too slow to bend, prestige without a means to end. The welds were pretty, but not sound. Now death rings louder than the gown. The anvil cracks, not with a scream, but with a sigh inside the dream. If trust breaks once, it may return. If left ignored, it starts to burn. The anvil cracks, we must relearn. I paid the cost, I bore the weight, but the door stayed closed, a future late. I scroll my loans like prayer beads now, and wonder why, and wonder how. The forge must show, not tell. The anvil cracked, but not destroyed, from high